Hello, everybody.
What's happening?
He's like, stay on me.
Don't leave me. Welcome to Shane's place.
It's humongous.
That's what she said. So over here we have a banana.
Lunch.
Hello, banana.
Hey.
Bananas are tall.
I think is that Pikachu? Is that
pumpkin?
Oh, it's a pumpkin. Oh, I thought it was Pikachu.
Pumpkin's tall. I'm serious. Right now.
Yeah, when I first saw you from outside, I thought it was Pikachu too.
What the fuck? I was Pikachu.
I was like, eat it.
Someone should have been cat shit. That would have been funny.
All right.
God,
So king shit, cunt,
Duck shit.
duck shit, cunt shit, bleedy shit,
Running shit.
running shit.
Alright.
All right. So who's gonna go first?
Don't fit these, do I?
Baby, I'm hot just like an oven. I need some loving. Baby, I can't hold it much longer. It's getting stronger and it's stronger. When I get that feeling, I want sexual healing. Sexual healing. Sexual. My mind. Get out.
Like really? Get
out, get out.
Last minute. Shit don't stink, but linger
close to
closer.
see.
Roses really smell like poo.
Roses really smell like poo.
I feel like I have good vision, like I can't see very well, but I can see.
Roses really smell like poo.
It's getting stuck. Yeah, it's getting stuck. Like, oh, my face blood.
So, we're heading to Shibuya. I think we had too much pre-game.
I have not at all.
We have none. Okay.
She looks alright, yeah.
She's alright.
She's
She looks alright.
Yeah. Think she look alright?
She looks alright.
Literally.
Alright, let's roll away. Yeah, get out the
Alright.
rain.
So,
Dude, that is an epic setup.
I know, man.
Yeah, man, it looks sick.
So, we're heading to Shibuya.
Yeah, Shibuya.
Yeah.
Shibuya,
And this. This motherfucking Halloween, motherfucker.
Halloween.
I wish it was Halloween.
It's Halloween, man. We tried.
I'm sorry, I'm perving right now.
赤信号に変わります。今からの横断はおやめください。ご覧ください。
No, no, I told you on the. Yeah, man.
Yeah, that one.
横断の方は左の方向へください。前の方に左の方向ください。
So, hold on, where we trying to go?
Donkey.
Isn't it that street? No, check out.
It's the other street.
That way.
No, that was
That way?
Oh my god, there's gals and making out. Let's make out.
Oh, it's so sexy.
They got hot. 2016.
2016. Yeah. Huh?
You down to party in Shinjuku?
The bar?
The bar?
The same one we were supposed to go?
Crazy, yeah.
Okay. Hey, look at that guy. That's so real. So fucking real. That guy right there.
Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck?
Yep. You should be.
It's yours.
What the fuck? I tell you.
You can just roll like this.
Man, the cops are out in full force.
Fucking hell, there's like
It's like 1,000 of them out here, man.
million maybe.
Look at that.
Crazy. That's Tokyo for you.
So I guess, they're open the street, so they're... Nice, man.
Soy sauce ramen. That's fucking sick.
Steadicam on it?
Yeah.
Nice,
I
man.
love it.
Awesome.
Dude, awesome. That's sweet, man.
Tell me you're ready. Tell me you're ready, man. I'm gonna go up and jump as a cup ramen for you. Just because I love you so much. Okay. You ready? I'm gonna turn around and just jump. I'll go home. Is that okay with you? Okay, no problem.
交通規制が解除されるに合わせて警察官が取材撤収を行っています。
How about people dilate more than they just fucking do?
So much better.
Keeps you warm.
He's from Canberra. Sydney. She's from
She's from Perth, I'm from Earth.
That's Richard. He's from Jamaica.
From Earth. Earth.
And Angelica, she's from Hey,
You are the most Aussie motherfucker I know.
I know, right?
I'm not fine.
Do you feel like putting a shrimp on the barbie?
Oh, fuck, I wouldn't
Shrimp on
put
the
lamb
barbie.
on the
Like
barbie,
if
you
there's
know?
anything that I want to do right now,
Put shrimp on the Barbie.
if I want to do something, if there's something that I want to do before I die, putting a shrimp on my Barbie.
Your Barbie.
My Barbie is my BBQ. Did I invite you to my BBQ?
No, you
Why are
didn't.
you all up on my grill?
Because I like shrimp. Oh, すいません. So we went to Shibuya and it was fucking chaos. I am not in a good mood right now, but now we are in Shinjuku.
That was fucking fun, man.
Oh yeah, okay. So we're just coming back from Shibuya and it was so much fun. Gotta change the tone of the video real quick.
Yeah.
Have you ever put shrimp on the Barbie?
Fuck, I only put prawns on the Barbie.
Horns?
Prawns.
Prawns.
But there is an old commercial where they do put shrimp on the Barbie.
So is that like a no-no?
What commercial is this?
Yeah, oh, look it up. Or just say I'll look it up.
No, so it's like a no-no in Australia.
No, it's no, like, you can't say it.
It's
They
just
say,
no one
"I'll
does."
chuck shrimp on
Nobody
the
puts shrimp on the Barbie.
Yeah.
No one
But
says it,
normally
but
you
people
wouldn't
do.
say it, man. No one says shrimp.
Have you ever put shrimp on the Barbie?
The
Yeah, we put shrimp on the Barbie.
commercials
Uh-huh, yeah. Yeah, so after we left Shibuya, we went to Shinjuku, and then from there we went to a club. It was packed with people. There's no way I could swing a camera around in that club. And then we went to like a bar, did some karaoke, and then went and get some breakfast. I'm in the bathroom right now. I'm really tired. I'm gonna get some sleep, wake up, edit this video so I can get it out for you guys on time. So, till next time, stay rad, stay wild, and stay awesome. Peace.